Claudia. So for today's video, I'm basically going to share with you guys some things that I got from TJ Maxx, and I'll do some swatches as well. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. So I went to TJ Maxx last Saturday and I just got a couple of things. So if you guys don't know about TJ Maxx, it's a store where you can get high-end makeup for cheap prices, and they have high-end brands like Tarte, Too Faced, Urban Decay, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Stila, Becca, and yeah, so the first thing I got was this Laura Geller Flawless Fundamentals 4-piece collection, and so that's how the packaging looks. And then I just really love sets, so when I saw this I just had to get it. And let's open her up. And packaging, it looks like this. It has a foundation, a mascara, a lipstick, and a blender. Alright, so basically this is the Laura Geller New York Glam Lash Dramatic Volumizing Mascara. It looks like this. And so let me show you the wand. I'm not really a fan of the wand. I really like thick wands, and this is not as thick, but I'll definitely try it and let you guys know. Alright, so that's the mascara. The next thing is this Laura Geller sponge, and so it looks like this. So let me take it out for you guys. So it comes in this little cute little pouch kind of thing. And so basically it's kind of like this. And it's great to like buff it for your foundation. And so I definitely will try it out. It feels very soft. It feels very sponge-like. Like it doesn't feel as kind of like rough as a beauty blender. And then the next thing is this lipstick. Let me see if I can get it out. So basically it looks like this. And let me swatch it for you guys. So it's this nice wine shade. So I kind of like bumped it in the package when I tried to get it out, so that's why it kind of looks like that. And it's this really pretty wine color. And so it looks like this. It looks really pretty. And I think there's a little bit of a sheen to it, so I think it's a satin lipstick, not a matte. But I'm not mad at it. It looks really pretty. I definitely would love to try it out. Alright, so the last thing in here is the foundation. So basically it looks like this. It is the Laura Geller New York Filter First Luminous Foundation. And it's in the shade medium, I guess. I didn't really look at the top of the package, but it actually says the shade name. Alright, and then it's kind of weird. It's supposed to be a doe foot, I think. So I'm just gonna swatch it really quickly and blend it for you guys. So it looks like this. Yeah, it's definitely not my shade. That's a little bit too dark for me, but maybe I could give this away to someone. So it looks like that. I think there's a little bit of sheen to it because it is a luminous foundation, and so it's going to give you that dewy look. But yeah, so overall I like 3 of the things. It's just the foundation was in my shade. Alright, so the next thing is this Lorac Shine Bright Color Source and Light Source Cheek Palette, and basically it looks like this. And also the Flawless Fundamentals set, it was $9.99, and I think regular price is $20. Alright, so this is the packaging. It looks really pretty and silvery, and then those are the shades. And then this was $14.99. And this originally retails for $29.99. That's how the palette looks. It looks very pretty. Look with the little silver. And then that's how kind of the shades look. Very, very pretty. And so let me just do some swatches for you guys. I believe there's 4 matte blushes and 2 highlights. The highlights feel very soft. Let's do some Blossom, and yeah. So those are a couple of the shades. I really like the highlighters. They look really pretty, and the blushes. Alright, so that's the palette for you. And the last thing I got was a Stila liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Mecca. And so it looks like a really mauve tone shade, and I don't know, nowadays I just really like mauve toned lipsticks. And so let me open it up for you guys. And let me do a swatch for you. So it looks really pretty. It's like this mauve toned shade. You know, and I've heard of Stila liquid lipsticks. I heard they're really good. I've never really owned one, so this is the first time I'm trying it. So I really like it. Alright guys. Alright, so that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video for more makeup related content. You can subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and stay beautiful.